Good afternoon, my beautiful babies, and welcome back to my channel. What's cooking, mama? Today I'll be making saltfish fritters, and we're gonna start with the saltfish. I boiled it, and no, first I rinsed it, I boiled it, I let it cool, and I'm gonna put it in the food processor. And I got some green peppers, onions, red peppers. You're usually supposed to put a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, but I didn't have none, so I got jalapeno, so I'm gonna put the jalapeno. I'm gonna shred that up too in the food processor. I have some flour. It's about three cups of flour I have here, and these are the seasonings that I'll be using. I'll be using a little adobo, a little bit of thyme, some black pepper, some paprika for color, and some garlic powder. So what I'm gonna do first is, and I need water. So I took some of the water from the second bowl and I put it to the side. I'm gonna be adding it into the flour and mixture. Okay, but first I'm going to chop up my codfish. I tasted it to make sure that it wasn't salty. So I'm gonna put it in the processor. This is gonna make a lot of codfish, y'all. Or y'all call it saltfish. Some people call it codfish, some people call it saltfish, but it's the same thing. Okay, baby, I'm back, and I'm gonna start chopping up this codfish. I'm just gonna push it. Let me see how it's looking. I think it needs to go some more. I'm gonna do it again. Grind it up a little more. Oh. I never really worked with a food processor, so I'm used to cutting up things. I don't use the food processor like that, but I'm using it today because I don't feel like doing all that mess. So I think, let me see, one more little pulse, and we should be good. Okay, I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put it in my flour. Take out this. Now I'm gonna grind up my other stuff that I need to grind up. Which is my green peppers and onions. My jalapeno, just put it in there. Let it grind it up. Okay, got that. Let me rinse my hands off. So many things that go along with this food processing. It's new to me, but I don't know how to use it. I'm from the old school. I do everything by hand, but I wasn't doing this today. See now. This should be pretty good. Use the same
colorful.
Yes, it looks beautiful and it smells so good.
Colorful.
I think I want it a little bit smaller. Let's see. Let's put this back on. Sorry for the noise, y'all, but that's what I gotta do. This should be good now. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Take this out. Put this back. Put this in here. Came out really good. Smells wonderful too. Gotta use my hand now. Get all that out. I washed my hands before I started. Put my seasoning in. Like I said, the cod fish, I boiled it so it wasn't salty, so I'm gonna put a little adobo. Put this black pepper. Put some garlic powder. I didn't open the garlic powder. Lord have mercy. Give me a second, y'all. We're gonna put some paprika, just for color. And we're gonna put a little bit of thyme, just a little bit. That's it. Oh, got one important thing. Some baking powder, y'all. Let me get a spoon. Put some baking powder in here. Just don't put too much. Put about I say 1/4 a teaspoon, something like that. I'm not good at measuring. I just go by the eye, y'all. Y'all know that. I just go with what feels right to me. And you mix this up. And this is the water that I had on reserve, so pour a little bit in it. Stir. Take your time to stir. Some more water. And you stir. And we want this to be like a batter, so just keep adding the water. And you stir. I have a lot of flour, y'all, remember. It's getting there. time. Just stir it.
How much would you say this batter makes?
Oh, this is a lot. So I figure, oh my goodness, it's gonna make a lot of fish cakes, y'all. Put a little bit more water. Just a little time. I'm gonna put too much. Make it like almost like a. You don't want it too loose, but you don't want it too thick either. Stir some more. Time just keep stirring. This might be it, y'all. Taste it just to see. I think I'll need a little more salt. Because remember, I didn't want to be salty. I wanted to put the salt to my taste. Alright, let me get my spoon. I'm gonna start making fish cakes.
Oh!
I'm sorry, y'all. I put water. My hand did that. Let me see. Let's see. Oh yeah.
That's ready for you.
Okay, y'all, we got it going now. So I'm gonna fry these, and I'm gonna come back and let you see how it looks, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, y'all. I'm back, babies. See how brown they are now? This, if you want them browner, you can, but I like them like this. The oil is fresh, and when they stop really sizzling, you know they're ready. So I'm gonna take these out. Some people use a small melon scooper and fry them. You know, make them round like balls. Some people make them more flat. I just use a spoon and just, you know, put them in there. Because you don't have to be worried about all that. So I'm just going to make some more. Put some more in. I wish I had my bigger spoon. Change spoons. I got this little spoon. Lay them down in there. If some get away, just the little pieces, that's all right. We're gonna let these fry and I'll be back. Okay babies, I'm back. This is the finished result. The fried codfish or swordfish fritters. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.